Hi guys, I hope you're ready for our story tonight. I have a special story for the night before kindergarten. I hope you're in your pajamas, in your bed, you found a comfy spot, maybe you're on the couch. Wherever you are, get comfy and relaxed and ready for our story. The story I want to read to you tonight is called The Night Before Kindergarten. The author, that's the person that wrote the words. Her name is Natasha Wing, and the illustrator is the person that drew the pictures, and her name is Julie Durrell. 'Twas the night before kindergarten, and as they prepared, kids were excited and a little bit scared. They tossed and they turned about in their beds, while visions of school supplies danced in their heads. Erasers and crayons and pencils galore were stuffed in their backpacks and set by the door. Outfits were hung in the closets with care, knowing that kindergarten soon would be here. In the morning it came. School starts today. Would the teacher be nice? Would they still get to play? Faces were washed and teeth were brushed white. Kids posed for pictures with eyes sparkling bright. Parents packed snacks and kids hopped in cars as if they were boarding a spaceship to Mars. Some kids brought blankets or their favorite stuffed bear in hopes they could nap like they did in daycare. Their parents exclaimed, "You're big kids! Wow! Let us hold your bears and blankies for now." The parents were worried their children would cry if they left them at school with just a goodbye. So they told their darlings, "If you want, we can stay and make sure that everything will be A-okay." The teacher then greeted each one with a smile and invited the students to stay for a while. The room was all filled with toys, books, and maps, but where were the beds for mid-morning naps? They colored and painted and played Simon Says, then tumbled and skipped and stood on their heads. They sang silly songs from beginning to end. Within just a minute, each kid had a friend. The children were happy. They loved Miss Sunrise. It was she who was in for a giant surprise. When what to her wondering eyes should appear but sad moms and dads who were holding back tears. Their noses so sniffly, their eyes red and white. This was the saddest goodbye Miss Sunrise had seen yet. She gathered the grown-ups on the magical rug, then sent them away after one final hug. The children all waved from the door of the school. "Don't cry, Mom and Dad. Kindergarten is cool." And that is the end. So I hope you enjoyed our story. I hope you're ready for school. You've got your school supplies. You probably have your outfit ready for tomorrow. I hope you get your ready confetti so that you can sleep well tonight. I will see you in the morning. Your parents can come with you for the first 20 to 30 minutes of the day, and then we're going to give them a good hug. We're going to say goodbye, and we'll see them when kindergarten is over, okay? We have some fun stuff. So get a good rest, sleep tight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.